I've highlighted a couple different Nespresso makers. I don't know if everybody's still on the Nespresso train, but I am. And these are the pods. I know there are certain pods that fit in certain coffee makers. So these are the pods that I use. I also highlighted here's a couple different Nespresso makers here, but these are the pods that I have on subscription. I probably bought like 30 containers of these every morning. So let's just take one out. This is the one I made this morning. Let's put one in. And let's make our second cup of coffee for the day. And let me show you what I think has been quite the game changer for my skin, hair, nails, and fine lines. So every morning I make one of these in my Arctic coffee mug that helps keep it warm, also highlighted in the carousel below. If you're looking for anything I'm just rambling about as I'm not able to click on them as I'm going as often, everything's for the most part in the carousel. And if you're new here, welcome. Thank you for being here. Thank you for listening to my Wednesday ramblings. I am a stylist down here in Florida, and I have promised you guys that we would have different topics and like new obsessions that I am bringing into 2026. So thank you guys for being here. If you are new here, make sure you check out my storefront. There are so many good ideas, so much inspiration, so much fun, like accessories, outerwear, bags, shoes, all Amazon fashion. I am an Amazon fashion lover. So everything's on my storefront. That's a new noise though. Yeah. Over the last like month on the weekends, I just ignore things like that. My husband's like, what is happening? That's fine, it's still working. So I don't know if anybody else has an espresso maker that also makes that noise. Probably should Google it. Still works, it's fine. Anyways, if you are new here, thank you so much for being here. I appreciate each and every one of you. I can see you following, I can see you commenting, so if you have any questions, let me know. Again, my storefront has everything Amazon fashion. That is what I live for and what I'm here for with you guys. So lots of really good finds on there. Designer inspired, unique finds, things that will sell out. Some things have a lot of stock, a lot of sizes, a lot of colors, but not everything. So we realized that last night in the show. We were looking for a faux fur hoodie that had already sold out. So you got to get on it. But this is what I really want to talk to you guys about. Okay, so these are the recent beauty. This one's not so recent. I just did IPL and a CO2 laser a couple weeks ago, and I was sitting with the founder of the Collagen Project and these beauty peptides. This is probably my 5th container of this collagen peptide protein blend. Every morning, religiously every morning, I put a scoop, and I've already done it once, but we're gonna do it twice because I just wanna show you how well this melts into your coffee. So it's a little bit of a larger scoop, but that just means there's like tons and tons of goodies in it. So you just take, now, and I'm picky about this because I don't know if you guys have tried other peptides, collagen, all the things in your coffee, but they don't tend to dissolve as easily as, and now we've got some froth in here, but that's a big scoop. But like, look, watch, it's just gonna like melt. So all the warmth of the coffee just melts the entire blend down. This has got like 19 grams of protein, all of these amino acids, and Lauren can speak so much better to this. I have shows just on this product on my storefront, but it's about the blend of the amino acids and the peptides, the way your body absorbs it. I swear I have noticed a difference in just the elasticity in my skin, some of the fine lines around my eyes. If you were here before, my body will not, I don't know, it just, Botox won't work anymore, so yay. So we're trying to find better ways to reduce our fine lines and wrinkles in our early 40s, and this one has been a game changer. So put this in my coffee every single morning. And I noticed that like if I grab a coffee from Dunkin' or Starbucks, because the froth in this one, it doesn't melt as easily, but it's just, it's so simple to just, and you're doing such good stuff first thing in the morning. So that is my first thing. Chug of water. There's this lemon balm that I just ordered too that I think is gonna get delivered between 7 and 11 today, that I wanna also incorporate into my morning routine. And then I'll make my water. I'll take my probiotics, which I keep in the fridge. And then I have also been taking, and this is a brand that a really good friend of mine who is very, very particular about her supplements turned me on to, this Natural Stacks. So I've been taking this Dopamine, 3 of these in the morning. It says for mental drive, it's brain food. So that, and then what else are we doing? Haven't started this one yet. Where are we? I was going to go in order here. These are pretty interesting. These are the H2 Tab. So raspberry flavored antioxidant water enhancer. I've taken a few of these, just one in a container and just a glass of water. It tastes really good. It tastes really good. And I've been throwing in my husband's water. So repeat 1 to 3 times daily. I think it's just like a really good hydrogen rich, most powerful antioxidants in the world. Yeah. So someone I follow turned me onto these, and they're just like little tabs, and they taste great. So magnesium, I'm telling you. So there's that one. What else? Oh yeah, everybody's on the pre, pro, and postbiotic. I haven't started this one yet. Because I was doing this Gut Alive. I've purchased so many products that I'm telling myself I'm cut off, and I'm gonna finish one completely before we move on to the next. So those are the new faves. If anyone's shopping as they are scrolling, let me know if you have any questions. I know NAD is very, like, I tried an injection with a nurse a couple months ago, and I know also like magnesium, there's a definite like absorption compound to this, but I've seen this everywhere too. So just under 1 teaspoon. I think you're supposed to take daily or as directed, mix with any drink. Shake before use. After 75 days, you have to use it in 75 days. But they recommend refrigeration, but it's not necessary. Okay, so we're gonna try that. This is gonna be our new one today. See if we notice a difference. But yeah, so here's our morning routine. I'm trying to decide, maybe you guys can help me. If you were here last night, I had tried this set on. Let's talk fashion for a second. I'm trying to decide if I'm gonna wear, so it's cold down here. That never happens. I'm trying to decide if we're gonna wear this set, which I've highlighted. Have you guys did you see the show last night? Look, it's like blending in with my cabinets. But it's this cute, and it comes as a set. It looks just like how the model has it on. So it's like a mock neck turtleneck with a little slit on the side. So am I wearing this today for a high of 60 in Florida with the pants? Or am I going more casual, even though this is pretty casual, but the material, oh yeah, and then these. These are the real Birks, but those look identical. These are the ones, I've had people stop me on these. These are the ones that have like the lighter bottom, and they're a little dirty right now, I need to wipe them off, but these, I've been wearing these like cray cray. Love these, and those are a fraction of the price. So if you're looking for some cute slip-on slides that look identical to the Birkenstocks and you don't want to drop over $100. Oh yeah, and there's like a bunch of hydration. Oh, I forgot. These guys too. Let me show you. And then I'll go for my second outfit. These guys, I have a whole vitamin drawer over here. Can I throw that out? I just did a reorder on Omegas. And the vitamin C, this brand, you can tell my vitamin C's are almost out. I just reordered these. They'll be shipped probably today. Those are great too. Heart health, brain health. And then my best friend actually turned me on to this electrolyte powder. So for all of you who don't like water just by itself, these, I've been driving a lot lately, and I will take my, big jug of water with the not correct straw in it. And I like this one because it'll fit in the cup holder, and I'll scoop a scoop of this into my water and drink that on my drive. If I can finish that whole water on my drive, which is about an hour, I'm proud of myself for the day. And then this just adds 6 essential electrolytes. So yeah, one of my best friends, I have a lot of them, and they're very special. They're my family. The godmoms, if they're watching, turned me on to this one, and I've reordered this. So it's just a simple scoop, and it also tastes really, really good. It's really good hydration. And then if you have an athlete in your life, like I do, I put these in his backpack. So he plays spring football and 7-on-7 and high school football. And his routine after school is take a nap. Then they have team meal. Then he takes one of these in his water right before the game. And the hydration and the little added, it's electrolyte and energy. I think there's like just a little bit of like green tea caffeine. Swear. All the kids, we're in Florida, it is so hot in August and September. By the third quarter, all the kids are just cramps and stretching, and I'm literally like screaming to the team, you guys all like need to be on liquid IV. My son, he's great. So this is a really, really good one, and I like that they come in individual packs. And I'll take one of these, and I'll just take a little bit of water, but you can put a whole container. I don't think it matters, but those are good too. So if you're looking for some really good hydration, that's mom hydration and kid hydration. There's a couple water bottles on here. This is the one I bought for my husband because this will keep him drinking water throughout the day. He gets frustrated sitting at his computer, writing, thinking, reading, and he's like, I gotta get up and go to the bathroom, but that's okay. It's good for you. The picture makes it seem like this is a 2-pack. It is actually a 1-pack, 1 bottle for that price. But I do like that it has the different times, like so between 9 and 10 a.m., between 10 and 11, make sure you're drinking and you feel like you're accomplishing something. So my mother-in-law also, we already got one for her too. So she loves those. This like gum is interesting. It comes in a couple different packs. I haven't tried one yet, but I thought it would be good for the kids. I have older kids. So like if they're driving on their way to school, it's like a brain boost and like healthy caffeine. So they're a big fan of that. The kids like that one. The teenagers like that one. And then, and then the Owala, that's every teenager is loving the Owala. Here's the NAD if you guys were looking for that. We're gonna start that today. I will report back. We're just gonna stack all these supplements and vitamins, and then we're just gonna be so healthy that it's just, we're not even gonna know which one worked. Like they're all gonna work. This is the vibration plate that is right around the corner over here. I'm keeping it in my family room in my kitchen so that I use it for 10 minutes a day. It's still on sale if you're looking for a vibration plate for the new year. Lymphatic drainage, all the things. This is the one that my cousin, who is also our personal trainer, recommended. I love that it comes with like bands and stuff too, so it'll inspire me to work out maybe a little bit more in the family room. Here are the lemon drops that I just got. Where's the set I wanted to show you? If I don't have it, here it is. Okay, so it's between these two outfits. The brown that I told you guys about earlier, or we're gonna go casual with a hoodie and sweatpants. We're not sure yet, but both of these options are linked. This is the extra small, this is the small. This set, if you're looking at the way the model is wearing it, I love it. It is super, super, super warm. This one feels like cashmere. This one is definitely like, you could throw this over your workout clothes. There's room underneath for like leggings or other layers. It is true to the size that you would normally order. So like I said, this is the extra small. I am 5'3". This is the small. This top is intentionally longer, as you can see, which I like. So these are both true to size, two different options, super warm, both of them. So just wanted to come on and show you two great outfit of the day ideas. You could pair a blazer over this, like a hoodie blazer, a really pretty like leather jacket would be good for work, and you could do boots. You could do sambas with this and still that same like fun leather jacket. So there's a ton